Hi all, this is Desha Shukla and welcome to the session. In this session, we are going to discuss about the problems that are faced in a wireless LAN. So, a significant difference between a wired and a wireless LAN is the fact that in general, a fully connected topology between the wireless LAN nodes cannot be assumed. This problem gives rise to two different problems, hidden and exposed station problem. So first we'll discuss about the hidden terminal or the hidden station problem. So as you can see in the figure, the transmission range of A reaches B but it does not reach C, and similarly the range of C reaches to B but not to A. Also the range of B, it reaches to both A and C. Now the node A, it starts to send something to B and C, but C does not receive this transmission. Now C also wants to send the data to B and sends the carrier. As it senses it is to be free, it also starts sending to B. Hidden terminal problem occurs when two nodes that are outside each other's range perform simultaneous transmission to a node that is within the range of each of them, resulting in a collision. That is, when A is trying to transmit to B and C is trying to transmit to B, B will receive the transmission from both of them simultaneously, and hence it would result in a collision. That means that the data from both the parties, that is A and C, will be lost during this collision. Now when this collision occurs at B, the data that is received from A and C both would be lost at B. Hidden node means increased probability of collision at the receiver end. Now one solution to avoid this is to have a channel sensing range that is much greater than the receiving range. Another solution to this is to use a multiple access with collision avoidance, that is MACA. Now this is what it is called a hidden terminal problem. Again, when A is trying to transmit, its transmission will only reach to B, it won't reach to C. But the similar way, when C is transmitting, its transmission will only reach to B and not to A. Now when both A and C are transmitting simultaneously, B will be receiving the data from both A and C, and hence it will create a collision, and due to this collision the result would be loss of data from both A and C. So this problem is called the hidden terminal problem. The another problem that we have here is called the exposed terminal problem. Now considering this same diagram, here if we imagine a situation wherein the B node is currently sending some data to A. Now the other node C, which is right now free, also wants to send the data to some node D that is outside the range of A and B. Now here we also have a fourth node called D, and C wants to transmit its data to D. Now D is placed in such a way that it is outside the range of A and B. Now before starting the transmission, it senses the carrier and realizes that the carrier is busy because A is transmitting to B. That is why. Now hence C node postpones the transmission to D until it detects the medium to be ideal. Now for transmission, the medium is right now busy because B is currently sending some data to A. Hence C cannot send its data to D, so it will postpone its transmission. However, since such a wait was unnecessary, as A was outside the interference range of C, and also a collision at B will be weak enough to unable to penetrate into C. Hence the exposed terminal problem occurs when the node is within the range of a node that is transmitting and it cannot be transmitted to any node. Exposed node means denied channel access unnecessarily, with ultimately results in the underutilization of the bandwidth resource. It also results in the wastage of time resource. So this is an important question here, asked as explain hidden station problem and exposed station problem, or it can be asked as a problem in wireless LAN. So there are two problems defined here, hidden station problem and exposed station problem. If you have any queries, you can ask me. Until then, keep learning.